Hey everybody, I recently changed my right front entertainment screen on my Infiniti JX35. The screen was cracked, so I purchased a headrest with the screen. I did not have to pull off the headrest in order to do it. A couple tools that you might need is a ratchet, a torque bit number 40, screwdriver, and an impact. Pull this black leather cover off to the side, and there's a couple Torx bolts right here and right there. So if you're doing this in the car, you might have to get the ratchets, but I'm doing this at home, so I'm using the impact. That's one bolt right there. And another one. So screwdriver to pop this slightly up. Pull it forward. And then right behind it there's a pigtail. Mine's already off, but there's a pigtail right here. So you got to pull the pigtail off in order to take off your screen. And then once you change it, there's two tabs on each side, and then right here holes for them. So in order to put the tabs in, you got to pull this trim off carefully, and now you can put this back on. And now you could go ahead and put this trim back on carefully, because if you don't do it, you won't be able to put it back on after you screw the bolts. And then just put the bolts back on into the hole. Let's do this. Put this cover back on. And you're all set to go. The screen should be working perfectly.